Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach everyone how to make a party hat for their cat. I hope you enjoy it and let's go ahead and get started. So to begin, I wanted my cat to pick out his own design for his hat, but he seemed really disinterested and I decided to go with the cloud paper. To begin, we need that cloud paper, scissors, a pen, a template, which I will put in the description below, tape, yarn, a cup, some cardboard, 2 pieces please, and now we're going to take the party template hat and place it on our paper. You want to trace around it with your pen and make sure to get all the corners and bumps. And don't forget to draw out the etches in the party hat. After that, you're just going to want to cut it out. And don't forget about the little etches. I like to fold mine in half to get a nice, clean, even cut. It should look like this. Then we want to fold back the edges of the paper and assemble your hat. I also like to tape the inside of the hat and the outside. Go ahead and cut the tip of your hat off, just leaving a small enough hole. Now with our 2 pieces of cardboard, we're going to take a cup with a circular edge and trace 2 circle pieces. Then cut them out. Next, draw a dot in the middle and make a smaller circle. You can also use a penny or a dime and draw a shape looking like this. And just go ahead and cut out the shape in both circles. They should roughly be the same exact size. Now we're going to take our yarn and starting from the inside, wrap until you get to the other end of the shape. Keep doing it until it becomes very full and well-rounded. When you're satisfied with your shape, go ahead and cut off the end. Also, cut off a very generous piece of string for later. This will act as the string tied to the end of the hat. Now we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut in between the cardboard all the way to the other side, starting from here all the way to the end. this might take some patience. Now we'll take the string you cut earlier and tie it around the inside between the cardboard. And I just like to double knot it. Since my pom-pom was too big, I went ahead and trimmed it down to size. You can make it as big or as little as you want. And you can make as many as you want. Now the question was how to get this hat on my cat. Well, my cat doesn't really like to sit still, so I used a reference stuffed animal to measure out the size of his head. Then after I tied it, I just went ahead and slipped it on my cat's head, and it worked out pretty good. Since my cat was so good, I decided to treat him to some treats with some lactose-free milk and some home-cooked chicken. And that's how you make a party hat for your cat. Feel free to share your creations on Instagram with me. I also made a party hat for the family dog, and he really seemed to like it. If you liked this video and would like to see more content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a good thumbs up or a paw up. Alright, until next time.